Okay. Hi. Okay. Okay. One, two, three. Ew. Okay. Let's get started.
Okay, would you like to start?
Yes. I am Jenna.
And I am Madison, and welcome to our channel.
Just kidding. I'm doing a video on how I curl my hair, only I'm gonna do it on Madison. A lot of people at my school ask me like how I get the nice tussled waves, how do I take the curls apart the way I do and all that, and so I'm just making a video about it.
So I was looking for my pop, but I found it.
Can you hand me mine?
What?
Alright. Plugged it in. Mistake number one. The first thing I'm gonna do is plug in my curling iron.
So that we can get this started because we've been
goofing off. So I use like about this size like wand curling iron. I don't even know what size this is. What you could consider this.
a yard.
But just like now step one on Maddie. So I'm just
Here, should I just turn like this and then
I don't know, maybe. So what I'm gonna do is her hair's like been like dry all day, like she showered in the morning, so it's not like new and like clean. It's clean. It's clean, but like you know what I'm saying. So what I'm first gonna do is I'm gonna put in this heat oil. It's like protective treatment, and this is what it looks like. And I'm just gonna use a tiny squirt like that. And I'm just gonna like put it all right here into her hair. And it makes it nice and silky soft. Even though Maddie's hair is pretty much already like that. So after that, I'm just gonna brush her hair to make sure all the product gets through nice and evenly. So I'm also gonna put in a little bit of this in. And this is Maddie's, so I wouldn't usually use this, but it's fine. Because when I usually do it, I get into the shower in the morning, blow dry my hair with my product that I put into it, and then do the rest of the steps I'm gonna be showing you.
That's supposed to be.
Oh! There we go. Now I'm gonna brush her hair again. See, now I'm going to be taking this big sexy hairspray and spray it in her hair as well.
You better not fry off my hair.
I won't, because I'm not even doing that much. Okay, there we go. Boom, done. Okay, and now I'm also gonna brush her hair again. So this kind of like helps with texture and like make sure that the hair is like actually gonna stay in a curl. It helps with that. And then obviously all the oils and serums is so it doesn't burn Maddie's hair off. Sorry, that was mid-burp. Yeah. That was really funny. We did that at the same time. So I curl my hair in like sections. So I'm sectioning off Maddie's hair so I can get like underneath like different layers of her hair. I'm just gonna spray this bottom layer with hairspray because it was covered by the top when I did that. So how I curl it is, this is a curling iron, but I use it as a curling wand. So I'm gonna have you turn like this. So you take a strip of hair.
God, don't burn me.
I won't. However big you want. And then,
I remember
I know I kept hitting you with it.
she was curling my hair one time and she was wrapping around and I said, "Don't burn me." And then she turned and just whacked me in the head with it on accident.
Things happen.
She literally hit me in the head with the hot curling iron.
Yeah. Anyway, so what
I'm scared.
It's fine. You're good, you're good. Turn this way though. So I'm gonna curl it away from her face.
Not by my ear.
Right here.
I feel the heat.
I won't. It's kind of curled already. So you take a strip of hair. Maddie's hair is pretty thick. And it's like super soft and silky, so it's gonna like, that's why I put in all the product, because so the hair doesn't actually slip onto the curling iron. So I just wrap it around and I use it as a curling wand. You just hold it there. And then once you kind of like get it on the hair, like once you wrap the hair around the curling iron, you can like go up and down like this, and then just like go like this to get closer to your head. And then it just comes out like that. Usually what I do is I spray the hair afterwards with hairspray. So I'll actually probably do that too. Because my hair does not hold curls at all. Like, it is very not into curling at all. So I have to put in a lot of stuff. And I have to curl it like by little tiny sections. But this is the bottom layer of her hair, so I don't actually need to waste so much time on it. Because it's not really going to be that much important. Unlike like the medium and the top layer is really important, obviously. And then just release like that. Like there's a trick that like what you should do is you should let a curl sit and like harden as a curl instead of like taking it apart right then and there after it's like off the curling iron. So that's also what I do. So towards the end, I'll repeat it too, but towards the end I'll actually like tussle them out or like kind of loosen them so they're not actually just like these. But these actually look good.
My hair's kind of crap.
No, it's not.
Yeah.
It's just really soft. Like the more you curl it, then the more like damaged it gets, but honestly it curls so much better like when it's damaged.
I know.
It's terrible. Like, do I want to have good hair, like bad? Do I want to have good hair with bad curls, or do I want to have damaged hair that makes doing hair so much easier? Good. What?
Coming up.
Who's there?
Me. I don't want to mess you guys up with your whole video sequencing.
It's fine. Actually, it's not mine, Mom. Okay, now I'm gonna scoot it up a little bit. Mom, that noise is just on the. We're just on the camera.
Oh,
It's fine.
sorry. That out.
So now I'm just sectioning off Maddie's hair again.
Lately.
Yeah. Oh no, I accidentally grabbed a curl. It's fine.
I think it looked better
Today?
the first day I did it.
Oh.
Do you think it looked good today?
Yeah. Also, in case you guys didn't know this, always brush your hair before you actually put the wand, like the curling iron on, because if you like leave it tangled and then try and curl it, it breaks your hair. Tips. Yeah. She can be in our video.
Yeah.
Here, look at me.
We can go to Voodoo too.
I think I want to do that the other way. Do I want it like this? Yeah, that's better. She's done. My sister is stupid. I'm just kidding. She's just annoying most of the time.
Portland. And he'll be getting home at like 4:30.
Nice. What time did he like have to be at work?
Oh, I think he'd 7:30.
Oh, shit, sorry.
I think he'd wake up at 5:30.
Oh, sorry, I'm like pulling your hair. These curls on the medium, oh crap, on this layer looks so good.
Really?
Yeah. Okay, the final layer.
Oh, my hair does that.
This.
Yeah.
So for the top layer, I'm gonna like make sure the curls are like really super tight. But you might ask, why would you do that and not do it on the other layer? We'll just watch.
This stuff too.
Oh my god. Was it like a professor? Ooh. Okay, so I think I'm gonna do it like this. But I don't know. I'm staring at you.
I'm staring at myself too.
I don't know. Here, look.
It's funny because we can't even see my hair and we're doing this the whole entire time.
That's fine. Maybe. Or should I go like this? What? That was my hand.
I know, but you got close. I can feel the heat on my forehead. Don't. Jenna,
I'm just
stop.
gonna, I'm just making sure I'm not even close to it. Yes, okay, that's the way I want to go. Sorry, was that hot?
Yeah, but it's okay, I forgive you. Should I turn around so they can see what you're doing?
The front? Yeah.
After you take it off.
Okay.
Like, or should I have turned the other way?
I don't know. I feel like this is fine. Yeah, it was the weekend of volleyball ending. Like
after it ended or before?
Like after senior night.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. I'm trying not to spray your head. I'm gonna recurl this.
This is why I don't do my hair.
Why?
Because it's taken 40 minutes.
Fun stuff.
I'm so tired. I'm like falling asleep. I just heard my hair pop.
It got tangled a little bit. Maddie, what time is it? Because I'm supposed to be leaving soon.
I know.
So I obviously curled all of it. Read them first. So I take like this pick thing and I like comb kind of, but not really actually like comb it. I just kind of like pick at it. So I'm gonna start
Well,
over
they
here.
need to be able to see, Jenna.
Huh?
I don't think they'll be able to see it.
Yeah. Okay, fine. Go like that. So like this. And just make it a little bit more naturally looking. And then if you ever have to, then you just go back and like recurl some of it. Just like that. Okay, and then, oh, I should probably have said that. Now I'm taking this Beach Babe texturizing sea salt spray. Like this. And it's by, Not Your Mother's. That's the brand of it. And I'm just going through and like kind of scrunching her hair. You are done, my lady. Boom! And there is Jenna Jones's. Oh wait, actually one last finish on the hairspray, even though I've used a lot. But boom! Dunno. Ooh, who is that new woman? Stop! Yeah, go like that.
Stop what?
Ah, perfect.
What am I doing?
You were turning your head like this while I was turning you, and I wanted to get the back of your hair into it. Boom. Dunno. I already said that. Oh well.
Okay, so Look, you look so cute with curly, wavy, nice, cute hair. If only my nose didn't look so red like Rudolph.
My nose looks like it too. Actually, my whole face does. Ew, and I have a pimple right there. God damn it. Okay.
Okay.
We really have to get done because it's 5:40.
Okay, so this is the finished product.
Hopefully you like it.
My hair's kind of short.
Not really. Okay, we have to go. So today I am doing a video inspired by people around me.
Okay. Whoa.
Okay.
Look at my smile lines.
Look at mine. So I'm gonna use. Oh my god! You are dropping everything.
He's a funny guy.
It's so
He
sad.
can get whatever he wants.
I know.
I keep on joking. You know what we should do? Love you like heroin. Da, la, 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 la.
That's in the video. Thank you very much.
I'm adding
Oh.
Don't hate, discriminate.